Imagine making money while you sleep. No products, no inventory, just sharing links. Sounds too good to be true? Well, thousands are doing it with affiliate marketing, and the smartest ones are cashing in big, really big. Want to know how? Stick around because I'm about to break down the best way to make money with affiliate marketing, even if you are starting from zero. So what's the best way to make money with affiliate marketing? This video is based on my personal experience, and I'd say the best way to make money with affiliate marketing is by using blogging and SEO to make money from the Amazon Associates program. This is what I also did, and I'll break it down for you step by step. So stick around. The first step is to sign up for the Amazon Associates program and get your own unique referral link. The first step is to sign up for the Amazon Associates program and get your own unique referral link. The second step is to choose a product to promote. There are physical products and there are electronic products, and you can choose from mattresses to electric bikes to electric kettles to automotive products, whatever it is you decide to promote. But when I did it, I promoted strictly physical products. The third step is to look for keywords to write about for the product you have chosen. The third step is to look for keywords to write about for the product you have chosen. You can use any keyword research tool, but at the time I was using Longtail Pro and the Google keyword tool. So if I chose, so in essence, I'm talking about the keywords now. So if I chose to promote mattresses, I can have keywords like ultimate guide to buying a mattress in 2025, best mattress for the money, that's the second keyword. The third keyword, memory mattresses under $200. The fourth keyword, top mattresses for cribs. And then the fifth keyword, for example, I'm just giving them as examples, spring mattresses for seniors. And these are just example keywords, and I gave them so that you can also know what to expect when you start implementing the information in this video, because I trust that you're going to implement the information. You're not just going to watch, you're going to do something with this information so that you can also be one of our Gen Z millionaires this year, because this year House of Wisdom, our house is HAUS of Wisdom, is raising 100 Gen Z millionaires, and I know you are one of them. I am one of them too, even though I'm not really a Gen Z, but I'm a Gen Z at heart. Okay, so I hope you get the idea from the keywords I just shared. So the keywords on the mattresses. So now the fourth step is to write the content. I started by writing the content myself, and I graduated to hiring writers from Upwork. So do what works for you. But the truth is, if you learn how to write, it will be easier to manage writers when you eventually hire, because you know what works with content when it comes to the Amazon Associates program. So that is what I did, and I've told you what you can also do. Now, your content has to be optimized for the search engines, which means you make the keyword you are targeting for each page to appear a couple of times in a sensible and a smart way. Now, aside from that, you will sprinkle your unique referral link. It's only one link for one product. You will sprinkle your referral link in a sensible and smart way in your content. So basically what I mean by that is your unique link, you find a way to sprinkle it in like 3-4 ways on each piece of content, so that if somebody misses it in the first place, they cannot miss the second one, they cannot miss the third one, they cannot miss the fourth one. I hope you understand that. Now, so when your audience clicks these links and make purchases, you earn commissions. So Amazon typically pays out 60 days following the month's end. So you earn commission once they click and they make a purchase. Now for your content, I suggest that you start with 10 pieces of content and update as time goes by, and also as soon as the website starts showing potential. Now the fifth step is to create a WordPress blog. That was what I used, and post your content. To create a WordPress blog and post your content. Let me know if you need a tutorial on how to create a WordPress blog. This will cost you some money, as you have to pay for domain registration and hosting. But I believe that every business you need to invest for you to even start earning money from it. So it will cost you some money. If maybe the money is not there right now, you can use the free WordPress blog, but using a paid WordPress blog gives your website a professional look. But I'm not saying you cannot use the free one to make money too. You can use it. So if that is the option you can use right now, go ahead and use it. Okay, the sixth step is to promote your WordPress blog to ensure that it makes it to the first page of Google. And that's a sweet spot, because people who search for products via Google are usually hungry and paying customers. And so how do you promote your website to ensure that it's on the first page of Google for your chosen keywords? You can promote via guest posts on authority websites in your niche. You are not going to write guest posts in a marketing website, because you are not doing marketing, you are selling mattresses. And so you are going to look for relevant websites that have authority in that your niche, and then you put your guest post there so that you can build links to your own WordPress blog on mattresses. Then you can leave comments on fellow mattress or household items websites. You can leave comments, sensible comments, I mean, not just random comments like thanks for sharing. No. Just go deep. Make sure that the person that is reading the comments knows that you know what you are talking about. Also, you can answer questions on Q&A websites like Quora or Reddit. You can answer questions on Q&A websites like Quora or Reddit, and answering questions establishes you as an authority, and you can cash in on that to get people to your website. Because when you answer questions from the heart, people know, and they want to know you more, they want to know your website, and then from there you can get more people to your own website. Okay, now how much can you make per commission for the Amazon Associates program? Because people usually say, oh, the commissions are too low, the commissions are too low. I get it, but when you sell in volumes, it does add up. And so Amazon Associates commission rates anywhere from 4% all the way up to a whopping 20% per sale, depending on how many products you sell per day. And so from 4% you can get to 20% per sale, depending on how many products you sell. So it's like a volume thing. But there are some terms and conditions, and I urge you to read them before you embark on your Amazon Associates journey. Did you find value in this video? If you did, let me know in the comments, and also share this video with a friend and hit the subscribe button, because we would love to have you as part of the House of Wisdom YouTube community.